Harry? Hello? Harrison? Can you wave to Mummy? Where's the ball? Ooh. What about coming this way? Which way are you crawling? Oh, bye. That was fast. Where are you going? Where are you going then? Where are you going? Backwards or forwards? Oh yes, and you tried to draw a moustache on your face with permanent pen. It's still there. Uh-oh. You just want to get the floor mat. Just swimming around on the floor.